Welcome to the Veri5Now API guide. In this tutorial, we will walk you through a range of powerful APIs designed to streamline your operations. Let's explore the client-side APIs offered by Veri5Now. Begin by accessing the Veri5Now dashboard and navigating to the Developers section. Here, you can create an API key. Be sure to save it, as it won't be displayed again. Proceed to the post API/document/create from API endpoint and click on the lock icon to open the authorization settings. Enter your API key in the value field and authorize it. This action will authorize the X API key, enabling you to continue. Close the authorization window and click on Try it out. Provide the URL of the PDF file you want to use in the File URL field. Additionally, fill in the required parameters: name, API key expiration duration in days, your name, and email address. You can also customize values for X and Y coordinates, font size, height, width, ID, and email. After making these modifications, click Execute. This process will create a document with a specified name. You can then access and manage the newly created document in the Documents section. In addition to the APIs covered, Veri5Now provides APIs for managing files, groups, licenses, reports, system templates, and users. These APIs offer extensive functionality to handle various aspects of your operations efficiently. You've now been introduced to the comprehensive range of APIs provided by Veri5Now. From managing crew and digital signatures to handling documents and passwordless authentication, and utilizing client-side APIs for direct PDF creation, these tools are designed to enhance your workflow. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you find these APIs valuable in optimizing your operations. For more information and to start integrating Veri5Now APIs into your systems, visit our website or contact our support team. Empower your processes with Veri5Now.